Hi friends, we are back with the next vlog. Hope you are all doing well. During our safaris at Gir National Park, we stayed at Kavish Gir Lion Resort, which is conveniently located in Talala on Gir Somnath Highway, and it is very near to the Gir National Park. The resort is a very beautiful construction in the middle of mango orchid with maximum number of guest rooms having river view. Our check-in at the resort was seamless. After enjoying a welcome drink, a staff member guided us to our room. The resort features a total of 17 rooms and cottages. This includes a combination of deluxe double rooms, luxury riverview cottages, and pool villas. We chose a pool villa featuring a king-sized bed, a separate sitting area, a private garden, and a traditional jaroka. The highlight of the room is the exclusive private plunge pool with the scenic views of the Hiran River and the lush natural landscape. The garden attracts plenty of birds, and if you are lucky, you might even see crocodiles basking along the Hiran River. Beyond the wildlife, the resort also offers a range of recreational facilities such as table tennis, badminton, a pool table, and a swimming pool. The resort also has a spacious, well maintained garden set under mango trees and palm trees. It's the perfect place to just sit, relax, and enjoy the greenery. Food at the restaurant was good and the staff were courteous. However, we did feel that the service was a bit slow. Since the morning safari timings were from 6 to 9 a.m., we usually had our breakfast once we were back at the resort. The spread was fresh and tasty, perfect after a few hours in the jungle. The property is filled with mango trees laden with fruit. Seeing so many mangoes all around created a nostalgic atmosphere that made us feel connected to the nature and local landscape. Overall, we had a very good experience at the property. We would definitely recommend this place if you are doing safaris at Gir National Park. We had an amazing sighting during our safaris, which I have already uploaded in our vlog. Please don't forget to watch it and support us. hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.